Why are you buckling your helmet?
I'm scared, Scheller.
You're the one driving.
I'm scared. Let me out!
Oh! That was a flame. Yeah.
Try a launch.
Jeez Louise, man.
That was actually a lot better than I expected. The traction control, it's a miracle. In a normal civilian interaction, it sounds horrible. On the track, it kind of does sound good. But unfortunately, the traction control's coming off.
I actually am gonna get out of the car.
No, just stay, man. This is what I want to duplicate. I don't know how that happens. It's probably gonna wear it to heaven.
Oh my God.